Hello and welcome. I'm Brandon, your safety trainer here with today's lesson, PPE, Personal Protective Equipment. Before we begin, remember to sign off on your mobile device or online to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Personal Protective Equipment, or PPE, protects employees from physical hazards and health hazards. Physical hazards result from contact with hazardous agents, and health hazards cause sickness or disease from exposure to hazardous agents. In this lesson, we'll discuss the types of hazards that fall under these categories and the PPE to prevent injury from those hazards. To begin, there are several types of hazards that one may encounter in the workplace. These hazards can include impact, compression, temperature, noise, penetration, chemical or harmful dusts, light or radiation, or electrical. With those hazards in mind, we're now going to go through different types of PPE and what they can protect. Be thinking about the importance for you and your workplace to have the right PPE for the job. Safety goggles or glasses protect the eyes from flying particles, dust or sawdust, corrosives, and intense light. Face shields help protect the face from dust or splashes and sprays of hazardous liquids. Welding shields. These protect the face from radiant light, flying sparks, or splatter or slag chips. Hard hats are for the head to prevent injury from impact, falling objects, flying electrical shock, or burns if the helmet is insulated. Safety shoes protect the feet from hot, wet, or slippery surfaces, heavy objects falling or rolling against the foot, or exposure to nails or molten materials such as paving materials or metals. Gloves and sleeves are for the hands and arms to prevent burns, bruises, abrasions, cuts, punctures, fractures, amputations, or chemical exposure.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.